Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe the channel to see numericals related to market equilibrium. Here statement is given: equilibrium demand and equilibrium supply is given. We have to find out number 1, equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. Number 2, suppose that the price of an input used to produce salt that has increased, so that new quantity supply will be this. And suppose the government has imposed a tax of rupees 3 per unit of salt, sale of salt, then how does it affect the equilibrium price and quantity? So let us clear number 1 for the A position. We know that quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. Let us put the values. 1000 minus P is equal to 700 plus 2P, or 1000 minus 700 is equal to 2P plus P, or 300 is equal to 3P, or the value of P is equal to 100. This is equilibrium price. Now equilibrium quantity by demand side, then equilibrium quantity by supply side. So let us put this equilibrium price. Number 1, QD is equal to 1000 minus P, or the value of P we have recently calculated, that is 100. So QD value is 900. Next, supply side, QS is equal to 700 plus 2P, or 700 plus 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 700 plus 200 is equal to 900. So the quantity demanded and quantity supplied both are equal. We have covered up first portion of the numerical. Next, then for second aspect, again QD is equal to QS. Now we have to take quantity supplied as this equation. QD will remain same as it is. 1000 minus P is equal to 400 plus 2P. 1000 minus 400 is equal to 2P plus P, or 600 is equal to 3P. P is equal to 200. So the value of equilibrium price, that is 200. Next, again equilibrium quantity by demand side. Next, equilibrium quantity by supply side. Let us see either both the equations are same or not values. So QD is equal to 1000 minus P, or is equal to 1000 minus the value of P is 200 is equal to 800. And the supply equation, that is QS. QS is equal to 400 plus 2P is equal to 400 plus 2 multiplied by 200 is equal to 400 plus 400 is equal to 800. So again quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied, which is 800 or 800. Next aspect, third, we have to clear that suppose the government has imposed a tax of rupees 3, then QS is equal to 700 plus 2 P minus 3, or QS is equal to 700 plus 2P minus 6, or QS is equal to 700. Let us subtract 6 from 700, that is 694 plus 2p. This is the equation of quantity supplied, and we know that QD is equal to QS. So let us find out the equilibrium price. QD 1000 minus P is equal to 694 plus 2P, or 1000 minus 694 is equal to 2P plus P, or 3P is equal to 306, or P is equal to 102. So the value of equilibrium price is 102. Now equilibrium quantity by demand side. QD is equal to 1000 minus P. Now by putting the value of P in this equation, we get 1000 minus 102 is equal to 898 rupees. So he is asking how does it affect equilibrium price and quantity. So the equilibrium price will be 102 and equilibrium quantity will be 898. So in this way, with the help of this equation, we can easily calculate all the calculations, and we can also verify our answer, because in each aspect quantity demanded will be equal to quantity supplied. So that's all regarding this numerical. Thank you.